Hey, Dutch here. In today's episode, Cooking Over an Open Fire, I'm going to show you guys using this little stove that I've featured in some other videos. But today I'm going to use just some branches and little sticks that I found just around the area instead of the fuel source. So we're going to see how this works, and I'm going to use my little mess kit, and then we're going to cook some breakfast skillet, Mountain House. Hope you guys enjoy the video. We're going to get this fire going, then we're going to boil some water. That water's already starting to warm up. You can see it's already starting to boil. I just been adding sticks underneath there, and it's working really good. Hey guys, I got my little radio with me too. Let's see if we can get tuned in on something.
To the sauce, then we'll be back to mix it up with Smoking Hot. Kate Delaney, NBC Sports Radio, NBCSportsRadio.com.
Hi, this is NFL Commissioner Roger Goodell. When I'm not busy running the NFL, I'm listening to NBC Sports Radio.
More NBC Radio coming up on 1270 AM and 107.9 FM. The Franchise, Oklahoma's news.
For the next day, I got me an engine and a drum.
Experienced it. Oh, that would work great with our step.
Works pretty good. That's awesome. Okay guys, I got this water about boiled, and it says add 3/4 cup of water into this, and let it sit for 4 minutes, stir it, and then zip it back up for 8 to 9 minutes, let it stand, and then eat it. So I'll show you guys doing that process. Okay guys, we got this water boiling just right. Let's add the water to it. I'm going to show you guys this first. Can you see that? I guess that's an egg. Kind of smells like a cheddar ball. You see that? So this is a review and cooking over the open fire. Let's pour that water in there. I got smart this time. I'm using my pan at the handle so I don't burn myself. Okay guys, it says stir up and let it sit for 4 minutes, so that's what I'm going to do. When it's done, I'll stick it in that pan and show it to you guys. And then me and Gabby will try it. Actually smells pretty good. While we're waiting on that, I'm going to turn this music up. The battery died. Fix that right now. Let me turn it off. I've been wanting to do a review on this too, I've been listening to this probably about 15 minutes now, and the battery just now went dead. You do this for 1 minute, you're supposed to get 5 minutes charge for like a phone or something, but maybe a little bit longer for the radio. Heck yeah. So radio is awesome. Okay, this is a cooking review, not a radio listening competition. Hey guys, I got this food ready. I put it in the pan. Let me show it to you guys. Look at that. It actually smells really good. I'm not gonna lie. Let's get a taste. I can see a piece of sausage, looks like potatoes, some eggs, some peppers. It's actually pretty dang good. You know, comparing this to like the stuff I'll cook in my skillet in the house or whatnot, obviously that's way better. But for this, for what this is, a freeze-dried blend of breakfast skillet, hash browns, and scrambled eggs, mixed with pork sausage patty, peppers, and onions. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm gonna give this 5 out of 5. Matter of fact, if I had some tortillas, I might give it a 6 out of 5, if that's even possible. One pack's got 350 calories, but for the size of burritos that I make for me and my wife, this would make 2 burritos easily. That would satisfy us until lunchtime. I'm actually really impressed with this. The breakfast skillet. I don't want to give Gabby any, but we're getting ready to go to dinner, so I better not eat all of this. Let's let Gabby try it. Come on, Gab. She didn't hesitate. You good? I don't think she's going to leave me any. You good, Gab? Okay, while Gabby's finished that off, I'm just going to let you guys know I give that breakfast blend a 5 out of 5 for what it is. It's real convenient. Put it in your pack, go for a hike in the morning, want some breakfast, add 3/4 cup of water, perfect. It's a 5 out of 5 in my book. That was actually really, really good. You can see Gabby in the background. She just destroyed it. Appreciate you guys watching the video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just ask you please subscribe. And I'll put an e-card right there to my other breakfast blend. Actually, it wasn't breakfast blend. It's like, I think it was a stew. I'll put the iCard up there so you guys can watch that review too. Appreciate you guys watching.